Good day and welcome. I will be answering JAMB 2020 Chemistry Past Question 21. The types of bonds in ammonium chloride are. Now, ammonium chloride is represented as NH4Cl. Ammonium chloride is made up of a combination of ammonia, NH3, plus hydrogen atom, then plus chloride ion. Now, this ammonia is made of nitrogen and 3 atoms of hydrogen. So nitrogen plus 3 atoms of hydrogen will give us ammonia, NH3. Now the bond here is what we call the ordinary covalent bond, that involves the sharing of electron between the 2 atoms. Now sharing of this electron, the electron that are shared are actually donated by both atoms involved in the bond. That is, nitrogen will donate and the hydrogen atoms will also donate electrons to be shared, and we call it paired electrons. Now, ammonia, when formed, we combine with one atom of hydrogen now to form what we call ammonium, NH4 plus. Now, the bond or the type of bond between ammonia and this hydrogen atom to form ammonium is called additive bond. This is because, unlike the covalent bond, only this ammonia donates electron to be shared, and we call it a lone pair. The hydrogen involved here do not donate any electron, so it is a additive bond. Now, ammonium will combine with chloride ion to give ammonium chloride. Now, the type of bond here is known as the electrovalent bond or the ionic bond. This is because the ammonium transfers electron to the chlorine atom. It transfers electron to the chlorine atom, making it to form the ammonium chloride. So the transfer of electron is an electrovalent bond. So therefore there are 3 types of bond in ammonium chloride: the covalent, additive, and electrovalent, which is option D. Thank you, and ensure to subscribe to the channel for more videos and past questions.